All right, so let's oh, hey, it did work. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the math on all of these problems. So on this one, we have 1/3 plus 1/6. All right. So we have to ask ourselves the question, are my denominators the same? No, they are not the same. So what I have to do is I have to build a snowman on the side that I'm going to change if one of my denominators can change into the other. Can 3 turn into 6 using multiplication? Yeah. So we're going to build a snowman on the side of the third, and we're going to multiply times 2. So our numerator times 2, 2 times 1. I'm going to rewrite that as 2. 2 times 3 is 6. So 2/6 plus 1/6 equals 3/6. My numerator is half of my denominator. So don't forget, anytime that happens, our answer is half. All right, so basically that means if we took this one piece right here and over here, this piece, the red piece, and we stuck it right there, it would be the same thing, right? 2/6 was the same as 1/3. 2/6 were the same as 1/3. All right, so let's move on. So now we're going to look at 5/12 plus 1/6. So it looks like we're going to add our veggie pizza to our pepperoni pizza. So 5/12 plus 1/6. All right. So are my denominators the same? No, 12 is not the same thing as 6. Now, can I turn one of my denominators into the other using whole number multiplication? Can I turn a 12 into a 6 or a 6 into a 12? I can turn 6 into 12, so I'm going to build a snowman, which is 2 parentheses, on the side of 1/6. And we need to think, how can I turn 6 into 12 in multiplication? By multiplying by 2. So we're going to rewrite the fractions. 5/12 plus 2/12. Remember, 2 times 1 is 2. 6 times 2 is 12. And that would give you 7/12. We can't simplify 7/12 because there's not a number besides 1 that fits into our numerator and our denominator evenly. So nothing fits into 7 that also fits into 12 except for the number 1. And if we divide by 1, we still get 7/12. So this is simplified. This is our answer. It's 7/12 of a pizza. Finally, let's take a look at this one. 1/3 plus 5/12. All right. So it looks like we're adding together our sausage pizza and our veggie pizza. So are my denominators the same? No, they are not. Can I turn one into the other using multiplication? Let's try it out. Can 3 turn to 12 using multiplication? Well, it sure can. So we're going to build a snowman on the side of 1/3. And we're going to rewrite our fraction. 4 times 1. And if you want to draw the line all the way through to show that this is all one fraction, then you can. 4 times 1 is our new numerator. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 3 is our new denominator. Then we're going to add 5/12. And that gives us 9/12. All right. 9/12 is not simplified. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to think of the biggest number that fits into both 9 and 12 evenly. All right. So think about the factors for 9. The way to make 9 is 3 times 3 or 9 times 1. So do any of those numbers fit into 12? Yeah, 3 does, right? So we can divide our numerator by 3 and that divide our denominator by 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. And then 12 divided by 3 is, whoa, hey now. Oh no, lost everything now. Is 4. All right, so there we go. I don't know what happened there. All right, and so 12 divided by 3 is 4. So our final answer on this one is simplified at 3/4. All right, so we just added those 3 fraction amounts together. 1/3 plus 1/6 was 1/2. 5/12 plus 1/6 was 7/12. And then 1/3 plus 5/12 was 3/4. Notice this one, we even got a different denominator at the very end than any of our original denominators. So that can happen too. All right, see you back in the next video. Or, I mean, yeah, there's another question coming up. So stick around and we'll work on that one.